Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Hafiz Muhammad Tayyab Aziz. Today my second vlog on Norani Qaida. Lesson number 2 is to recognize words and attach one word with another words and pronounce them correctly. Let's start now. Request you all to subscribe to my channel and open the notification of new videos by clicking on the bell icon. So here is our lesson number 3. Instructions of this lesson. In this lesson we will learn how the words are found by joining alphabets. Have your students identify every alphabet in a word. For example, lam alif. This word is lam alif is actually lam plus alif, and if we attach one word with another word, so it is called lam alif. We will also learn the different shapes of particular letters. For example, lam alif. As we know, this is alif, this word is lam, and this is alif, so we call it lam alif. This is also called lam alif. This word is lam and this is alif, so we call it lam alif. This word, the red part of this word is ba, and this is alif, so we call it ba alif. This word is also called lam alif. As we know, this is lam alif and this is also lam alif, so it is also lam alif, but it shapes is different. The second word is lam. This is also lam alif. This word is lam and this is ha, so we called it lam ha. This is also called lam alif. So this second word is ba, and this word is lam and this word is ba, so we called it ba lam ba. So I think this is enough for today. Tomorrow inshallah we will start from this letter kaf. Thank you so much.